Question 21 of the UTME 2018 Physics Past Question, that's your Jamb 2018 Physics. It says the pitch of an acoustic device can be increased by, A says decreasing the loudness, no. B says increasing the amplitude, no. C says yes, increasing the frequency. This is the correct answer. D says decreasing the intensity, no. It is what? Increasing the frequency. I hope you know the characteristics of a musical note. And the three characteristics of a musical note is what? The pitch, the quality, and the loudness. All right. And the pitch of a note depends on the frequency of the sound wave. Okay. So the pitch becomes higher as frequency increases. That's why you see a guitar string. If the string is quite tight and you just play a note on that, the frequency will be quite high. So the pitch of an acoustic device can be increased by increasing what? The frequency. So this is the right answer, option C.